G'day and welcome back to the channel. Grab yourself a coffee as we slip into another Friday fix. Please smash that subscribe button for me and help me double my subscribers by summer. So today I've got the Honda HRU195 up on the block. We can't get him to run at the moment, so I've actually got a replacement carburetor I'm going to put on it. So this is the gear we've got for it. We've got a new air filter, new spark plug, replacement carby kit and some fuel line. It comes with the 3 gaskets that we need and as I said, like a replacement carby. So let's get this pulled apart and we get the new carby on. Once we've got these linkages put back where they came from off the other carburetor, we can then hook up the fuel line. There's already a gasket on the back here, and there's already a good gasket on this one. Looks like I've glued them on when I've done the last carby clean out. So we'll put this one on the back of the air cleaner housing. The bolt through. And then do the same with the other one. So I just need to make sure that the throttle cable is giving me choke when I need it, and it's also giving me full throttle. We can turn this fuel back on. Put the new air cleaner in. Make sure you put the lid on correctly. Then we can put some more fuel in it and give it a start and see if we can get it to go. Righto, we've got the fuel on, got the choke on. Let's see if we can get him to go. love that Honda reliability. First pull. So we've replaced the old carby with the new one. First pull, off she goes. We'll come put the catcher back on and give him a quick mow and make sure it's all going to work good. Well, there you have it, folks. That Honda mower is back up and running. We've got that new carby installed, and now all I have to do is give it a service when it's due. It's coming up for a service around Christmas time, so we will change the oil and the spark plug then, and then at the moment she's back up and running sweet at home there and back into full service. Once again, thanks for watching.